For centuries, a rape conviction typically required evidence that the perpetrator used violence or threats to overcome the victim's physical resistance. But the law has evolved, as MC versus Bulgaria demonstrated. MC, a 14-year-old Bulgarian girl, was standing outside a club when A approached with his friends, P and VA, and invited her to go to a club in another town. MC recognized A as her classmate's older brother, and P as someone she'd met at the club before. Both men were in their early 20s. MC agreed to go if they brought her home by 11 p.m. After driving to the club, the group stayed a while, then headed home. On the way, A suggested stopping at a reservoir to swim. Upon arrival, MC stayed in the car while the men went swimming. Eventually, P returned. He then kissed MC and pressed his body against her. MC told him to stop and tried pushing him off, but P had sex with her anyway. When the others returned, P drove everyone to a house owned by VA's relatives. Once inside, MC followed A into a bedroom, thinking he would protect her given their familiarity. But instead, A undressed MC and began having sex with her as she begged him to stop. Several days later, MC filed a police report. She claimed that she didn't scream or resist violently because of fear and shock. P and A both claimed that MC consented. Because there was no evidence that P or A used violent force or threats, and no evidence that MC physically resisted, the local prosecutor closed the case without pressing charges. MC eventually filed a complaint against the Bulgarian government, alleging that the rape investigation violated standards imposed by the European Convention on Human Rights. The European Court of Human Rights took MC's complaint under advisement.